I want to use this opportunity to thank every Ndi IGBO who has supported, who has contributed in one way or the other, who has given us large sums towards the unification and also the developmental projects that we are currently running in IGBO community. I want to remind you where we are coming from. When we were making these promises, we had nothing, only but hope. That hope about Ndi IGBO. Hope that Ndi IGBO neme wanne. Hope that onyagala wanne. Hope that igwebu ike. We had this hope held high. We came to the IGBO community after assessments of the dilapidated schools. We asked them questions. They told us exactly what they wanted. They told us about their challenges. And we brought back this message to Ndi IGBO. Immediately, Ndi IGBO responded. Ndi IGBO responded with finances. Ndi IGBO responded with ideas. Ndi IGBO responded in every means that has led us this far. We have brought hope to the community of IGBO. We have brought hope to the students. We have brought hope to the people of IGBO. And this is glory. This is what Ndi IGBO are known for. This is the true spirit of IGBO. Unyagala wanneya. Ndi IGBO are indeed great people. We have shown through actions and not just word that we are ready for the total unification of Ndi IGBO. We have brought succor, we have brought hope, and we have restored faith in the IGBO unity process. We are one people. Ndi IGBO Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation is focused on fostering peace and unity through culture, empowerment, and charity. And this we have been exhibiting in the community of IGBO. We have taken up the challenge to help in building a 2-room toilet, one for the female and one for the male. I want to remind you that this school was built for over 35 years. They have no convenience. They have no place to ease themselves. But today, we have done this. We have brought hope to this community. Through your contributions, through your immense support, we have been able to raise this structure from scratch. This is the true meaning of Onyagala Wanneya. This is the true meaning of Igwebuike, because this is not a one-man show. Again, I must thank Ndi IGBO for giving me this support. Who am I? Just an ordinary man, Chukwemeka. But you all have shown me that whenever I call upon you, you will answer. You have emboldened me. I shall walk into many communities from now henceforth and proclaim the IGBO unity and convince the people that we are one people, because I know that I have the largest support of Ndi IGBO. I thank you. I thank every IGBO indigene, every IGBO man, woman, and child. I thank our elders. I thank the youths, your contributions which kept on coming. We are not disappointed. We are not alone. You have shown me this, and Ndi IGBO can testify, and so shall other indigent IGBO communities testify about the goodness of Ndi IGBO in general. I hereby call upon my brothers in Ikwere, my brothers in Oba, my brothers in Ika, Ibanke, Okwane, Echie, Ndoni, Ekpeye, Egalamelo Dolu local government area of Kogi State, all my brothers in Benue. You all must respond, you all must anchor this clarion call. It is us, it is ours, it is the time for unity. We must unify against our common enemy. We must unify against the people who wants to see us defeated. We must unify against the people who wants to see us divided and without development. With these developmental strides, we will not forsake any Igbo community which are suffering neglect from the government. The people shall aid Ala IGBO. Ndi IGBO shall aid Ala IGBO, and it is happening. This is the true sense of Onyayala Nwanneya. I thank you, Ndi IGBO. I thank you. You all are wonderful and you all are amazing. Thank you all, and God bless.